Warning, this content is for entertainment and educational purposes only. All right, next question here is from Gator Gains. Gator asks, after reaching a goal weight using compounds like GLP-1s, does it make sense to stay on a very low dose to maintain non-weight loss benefits if health markers are in range? For example, dropping from 3 milligrams to 0.5 to 1 milligram after losing 40 pounds. I mean, yeah, especially the new GLP-1, the triple agonist one that we can't mention on here. That one has really some pretty cool benefits when it comes to lipids. Even at low doses, 0.5 milligram to 1 milligram a week seem to significantly improve lipids. The glucagon agonism that's added to it seems to affect hepatic metabolism of lipids and also reduces liver fat, which is great, right? We don't want that. So it improves insulin sensitivity, improves insulin production, beta cell production, and if you can tolerate a low dose without the issues with it, there is a compelling reason to leave it in year round. Now, what I have found, and here's a problem that you can run into, and it's been pointed out by some other bodybuilding coaches out there, and it's something to consider, that some people, the gastric emptying just gets so low that you can't actually eat enough food to put on size that you need to put on. That's been my experience. I have been on a GLP-1 for, I don't know, a little over a year and a half now, something like that, and it has significantly improved my metabolic health, but goddamn, it's really hard to eat. Gastric emptying sucks, and I'm on the lowest possible dose. I'm at the very, very starting dose. I am prescribed by my endocrinologist Tirzepatide for my diabetes. There's your bingo card punch for the day. I am prescribed Tirzepatide, Mounjaro, and I man, the 2.5 milligrams just, I don't even want to drink water. It's fucking crazy. I have to force myself. I sit here, I got my glass of water. I have to tell myself I'm going to drink 6 of these a day. It holds a liter. It's a big ass glass, or not a liter. It's like probably 20 ounces. So probably, 1.5 of these is a liter, something like that. But if I really struggle to get a gallon of water down every day. I have to force myself. But, things like that. But as far as the other health benefits go, and if it's going to keep you from putting the fat back on, if you're a person who tends to be a fat guy, it might be smart to leave a little bit in. But that is something you're going to have to suss out yourself, see what your goals are, and, there are health benefits beyond the weight loss. I mean, they were originally drugs that were intended to be used for metabolic disorders, and that's what they were developed for. It just so happens that now that bros are using them for fat loss and for other things, but they do have some pretty amazing benefits when it comes to fat loss, lipid improvement, especially the triple agonist one, insulin sensitivity, insulin secretion, all of these other aspects. So it is something to consider.